Hello. Different video today. I've bought a new laptop for the 3D printing. And we took a good long look in the Curry's shop, and I thought this was probably the best option. I spoke to one of the workers and they said, yes, it's a very good option. So we are going to take a look at this together because I haven't actually opened this box yet. As you can see, it's still sealed. Trying to see if I can cut this open with my nail. If not, I'm going to have to get something sharp. I'm going to have to get something sharp. 1 minute. Okay, so now we are inside. Now I'll move that out of the way. There we are. And I think if I just... Okay, no. I will get my fingers under it. I thought that would slide off. The laptop is in it. I'll move that out of the way first. Here we are. There we go. So, this is an Asus VivoBook, and I believe it's an i5 processor that's on it. And the main reason why I went for it is because it has 1 terabyte of storage, which would be ideal for keeping 3D prints and other large files on. Here we are. It is glorious. It's very nice. There's my setup. There's my camera setup. It's just my phone on a tripod. But yeah, it's a really, really nice laptop. So I'm going to check and see if it's got any power in it. I'd be surprised if it does, to be honest. But it's got dual vents, smooth mega-sized touchpad, a physical webcam privacy shield, which is very nice. Asus AI noise cancelling audio for clear speech. A lay flat hinge for diverse usage. Fast and stable Asus Wi-Fi master. Is it going to turn on? I don't know. I'm going to see what else is in the box. Here's our box. We've got some instructions about the charging. Minimum 45 watts required by the radio equipment and max 65 watts in order to achieve the maximum charging speed. I apologise for the lighting, you can't see very well. 1 second. There we are. Premium service anytime, anywhere. There's a lot of documents. In search of incredible user guide. I will be having a read through this. I won't flick through it now on video. And a warranty card. Let's see what else is in there, because I'm hoping the charger's in here and then it's not like... Aha, there we are. Oh, it's a very nice charger. Look at that. It's a nice little block. So I will attempt to unwrap this. It's sticky, and I don't like the sticky ones because they just, well, stick. So there we are. That is just obviously your standard plug. And I should just be a moment and I will get the laptop turned on. There we are set up. I'm not seeing my mouse. There it is. And we are connected to the internet. There we go. So, next. There we go. Things are getting ready. I've only been waiting for a couple of minutes, so it's not even as if the setup takes that long. PC will restart before you continue. Well, that makes sense. Just applying all the settings and everything, isn't it? I like the fact that the keyboard lights up as well. That's really good. I'm going to have to figure out how to take these stickers off without it leaving a residue. I don't know how easy that's going to be. Look at that. That is gorgeous. You should probably read this, but I'm just going to press accept. Name your device. Simply Rivers laptop. No, it's running Windows 11 Pro, I believe. There we are. Right, and it's going to do all of its upgrades and such. So that's probably going to take a while. Looks like we did another reboot. Oh. Getting things ready. I will be doing a full setup of everything on the PC, but I will show you all that at another time. Because we don't need to do that right now. Skip. Skip. Not now. Next. Decline. Decline. Next. I'll claim that, might as well. Nope. And there we go. Asus VivoBook is officially set up. Now, what I will do is I will end this video here. I'm going to take a look at the laptop myself, just have a quick navigation around it. I won't do that on video because that'll probably take a while. But I will see you in the next episode. Bye-bye.